Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know how to start my intro anymore because I can say hope you guys are well. I'm hoping you guys are well. I'm hoping you guys are safe. And let's all pray that this situation we're in is going to be resolved soon, because a lot of us are having, maybe I should not say a lot of us, but I know personally for myself that I'm really struggling with this. As much as I am home and isolated, you know, I have to get into the spirit to do my videos. I am working from home. I'm trying to keep myself busy, going for walks, and it's not easy, but we just have to really try and stay home and stay as safe as possible. I was reading in the newspapers that a whole bunch of kids who went on March break, they're all in their 20s, all got diagnosed with the virus. And I mean, this is just my point, everyone's point, to stay indoors and try to stay as safe as possible. I mean, I know this is really annoying. This is really hard. A lot of people are having issues with this, whether that be mental, emotionally, or physical issues. But it is what it is, and we really can't do much about this. We just have to struggle through this, find a way to just stay positive and stay strong. It's really hard, I'm telling you guys. I mean, I don't know about you, but you know, I feel like I'm ready to pass out. I feel dizzy, I get anxious and all of that stuff. I'm drinking my water, I'm drinking my teas, but it's just that mental state that we were put in, you know, this lockdown. I think that's exactly what it is. It's funny, I go to the park and a couple of my neighbors that I see in the park, we would say hello from a distance. It's very unnatural, but like I said, it is what it is. We just have to struggle through this. So let's just get some makeup done. So I'm going to be doing something orange today. I've got my Ace Beaute Lashes here. I really do like these ones. I've shown you guys those ones before. And like I said, my face is already done, powdered and everything. I didn't really go in with any highlighter and all of that stuff. But I'm feeling a little orange today. And we're just gonna get started. I do have my Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I've shown you guys this one before as well. This is a good one. And I'm always reaching for this palette from Revolution. Again, this is the Trends Mischief Mattes palette. Everything in this palette is matte, as you can see. New Day. I'm hitting pan because I really like that color as a transition. And sometimes I go in with Attached as well first, and then this one. But it's a good palette. So we're just gonna get started. Like I said, it's gonna be like an orangey makeup look today. I've done pink, I've done yellow, I've done blue, I've done red. Let's do orange today. So we are gonna be reaching for some brushes, and we're gonna start with this palette, and we're gonna start with Attached, and we're just gonna start blending. I only have some foundation and powder on my lids when I was doing my foundation and my powder, so that's what I do have on the lids. I didn't go in with any lid primer per se. It's just foundation and powder. And I'm heading into New Day now. This is one of my favorite yellows, as you can see, because every time I'm buying a palette, I always look for yellow, and I look for a dark color, because you know, the yellow is a really nice color to transition with, and of course dark to smoke at your corners. It's just my favorite when I'm looking for palettes. And again, this is a New Day we are using, and we are just gonna put this all over the eyes, and we're just gonna blend nicely here. Do you guys use yellow for your transitions? What do you use? I think it's a really good color. So we are going to be doing some orangey thingies today. So there's an orange color in here. It's called Daydream, which is right next to New Day. But before I get into that, I am going to use Halftime, which is like a pinky orangey color, which is next to Daydream. So I can just give the crease a little color before I go in with the orange. And I mean, all of these colors blend nicely together, in my opinion. Okay, so I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm not a makeup artist. I just know how to put this face together, seriously. And still, I get a lot of DMs from people on Instagram asking me if I'm a makeup artist. And I said, no, honey, I'm not. I've learned about makeup from YouTube. Seriously, I have. Just a little bit more on the hood right there. So let's go build on this orangey now. What did I just say? Let's go build. So we're gonna, okay, Odette, get it together. I am now gonna go in with Daydream. And this is my blender brush from Wet n Wild. This brush was £1.95 and this brush does a fantastic job. I showed you guys this one before. And again, I feel like somehow I don't really feel like shopping for expensive stuff. I mean, I feel like if it's not £2, I don't really want it. But no, seriously, because you know, we all have so many things, right? So this is a really good brush and I got 5 of them from Beauty Bay. So now we're gonna use this orange color and we're just gonna start building on that pink. Does it seem this okay, right? Yes, it's coming along nicely. I didn't really go in too heavy with that pink. It really helps this orangey color to pop out a little bit more. It gives it a nice softy color, in my opinion. This brush is doing a really good job. I'm going to leave the link below for you guys just in case you want to get some of these. These are from Beauty Bay again. Wet n Wild, they are £1.95 and they do a really good job. Okay, I hope they look nice and even. I'm just gonna blend out the harsh edges nicely there. And I'm gonna clean up my corners in a bit. Some people use powder, some people use tape, but I just like to use my NW40 to clean that up. So, seeing that you guys helped me today with my cut crease, I'm not a pro yet, but I think I'm getting there. I think I am. So I am now looking for my NYX concealer, and this is what I used last time to do this cut crease, so we're gonna attempt this again. Okay, going in with Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature, and I'm going to be using, I think it's called Embers, which is an orangey color right in the corner. Let me get a flat brush. Here we be, and I'm just going to spray that a little. Just gonna dab that off because I always hate when the little pieces get into my eyes. So this is a lovely shimmer color in the corner right here. I mean, if you guys have this palette, it's where the black is, but just the ford color on top. To me, it's much easier when my brush is wet because I feel like I don't get a lot of flyaways. What do you guys think of that? Let me do the other side and hoping it's going to be as even as this one. Oops, things are just falling all over the place. So back to the palette, open up, And again, this is called, I think it's Embers, that's what it's called. And my brush is still nice and wet, so we're just gonna go in now. I hope that looks even. Let me just put a little bit more on. Do you guys think I'm becoming a pro at this? I think not. But I think I just need to make this corner a little bit wider, like that one. Just keep that right on top, maybe like right here a little bit more. Probably a little bit more on this side. I think it looks even enough. What do you think? I don't want to have to do too much so I can ruin this thing. All right, so then let me use, I think it's called Jolt, which is a brown color. And I'm just gonna use that to just give me some smokiness in the corner. Let me just see if I can use this. No, I don't want to use that one. Let me just use this one. And we're just gonna tap that in there. Because I don't really want it to be too black. I just want it to be nice and neat. Almost. Blend that in there. I'm going in with my Revolution eyeliner. And I need a black eyeliner. This is from Revolution. No, it's not. It's from the Collections brand. I showed you guys this one before. Let's just line the waterline. And I'm just going to bring this color down just in the corner a little bit, right there. So, let me go in with my lashes. They are from Beauty Bay, and I shall pop back in a minute. So the lashes are on, guys, and again, these are from Ace Beauté, and they are from Beauty Bay. Let me just darken this corner a little bit. And we are going to work on the lips now. Lip balm. So I'm going in with something orange, and this is from Fenty Beauty. So my lip liner would be Habernero, and this is from MAC. Let's see if I can recognize the name of this lipstick. I can't. Oh my god, it is so tiny. From Fenty Beauty. Let me do a quick swatch for you guys. It's orange. There we be. Okay. Whoa, that is nice. Where's my lip brush? Let's just blend this out. That's a beautiful color. So I'm going to use my Mahogany Lip Liner from MAC, and I'm just going to go over just around the side of the lips to bring this shade down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Rose Gold and put a little bit of something on them cheeks. Just like that, not too much. And this is what this product looks like, okay? That looks really nice. I like that. I like this lipstick from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. And let's just go set everything. And I'm just going to fan myself. And we are done with the makeup. Let me just get my hair sorted. So we are finished with the makeup look. What do you guys think? I like the orange vibe that I'm feeling right now. Not bad at all. Nice for springtime. It really is. 2 makeup palettes I use. This one is the Revolution Trends Mischief Matte Palette. Only matte colors in this palette. I'm sure you guys already have it. This New Day is one of my favorites. As you can see, I'm hitting pan with that one. And then this is the 3503 Fierce by Nature from Morphe. And that's all I did with the eyes today. My favorite lashes, one of my favorite lashes from Ace Beauty, and I got these from Beauty Bay. And everything I use, of course, is going to be listed below for you guys. And I just want to keep it simple, nice and neat today. This can be a spring look for sure. Nice springy colors, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really do. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this makeup look today. And try and stay safe, guys. Please do. Please try and stay safe. This is going to be over soon. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Much love to all of you guys. Stay safe, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Toodles. Bye.